How to delete your Quillbot account. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Quillbot account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search word, type in www.quillbot.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now also make sure that you are signed into your account. Then click onto your name that is on your top right corner and click onto account details. Here, in case you have any subscription, first of all, you need to cancel it. Now go back and click onto your profile again. Here you will see an option that says contact us. Click onto it. Under how can we help you, simply write in your name, your email address and your message. Under message, you can write that you would like to delete your Quillbot account. Once you have done that, click on to send. Just like so, all you have to do is wait for their email and they will guide you through how you can delete your accounts. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.